Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny from Soul Bombers, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join our beautiful community where we explore life lessons, spiritual growth, and personal transformation every day. Let's start a story. In a busy city, there lived two close friends, Sarah and Emily. They had known each other since childhood and shared countless memories, laughing, crying, and supporting each other through thick and thin. Their bond was strong, and they trusted each other completely. However, one day, a situation arose that shook their friendship to the core. Sarah, who had always been there for Emily, was accidentally blamed by Emily for an event that ruined her business presentation. Emily was under immense pressure, and in a fit of anger, she accused Sarah of sabotaging her efforts. The accusation was false, but the words hurt Sarah deeply. Feeling betrayed and misunderstood, Sarah withdrew from the friendship. Despite knowing the truth, she couldn't shake the feeling of being unfairly treated. Emily, on the other hand, didn't realize the extent of her mistake and continued to harbor her own guilt. The distance between them grew, and both of them suffered in silence. One day, after many months of pain and regret, Sarah was out for a walk in the park when she encountered an elderly woman sitting on a bench. The woman smiled and struck up a conversation. Sarah, despite her sadness, found herself sharing the story of what had happened between her and Emily. The woman listened patiently and then said, "Forgiveness isn't for the person who hurt you. It's for your own peace of mind. It's like freeing yourself from a prison you built with your own anger." The words lingered with Sarah, and that evening, as she sat alone in her room, she realized that holding on to anger and resentment was only hurting her. She knew that if she wanted to heal, she needed to forgive Emily, whether or not Emily asked for forgiveness. The very next day, Sarah reached out to Emily, who was overwhelmed with guilt when she saw Sarah's message. She immediately called her, and after a long, emotional conversation, they both apologized for their actions. Sarah forgave Emily for the pain caused, and Emily, in turn, apologized for her rash accusations. That moment of forgiveness changed everything. Their friendship, once broken, was rebuilt stronger than ever. They learned that love and understanding were far more important than holding on to pride or past mistakes. I hope this story touched your heart and reminded you of the healing power of forgiveness. Remember, forgiveness isn't just about others. It's about finding peace within yourself. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones who might need to hear this message. And before you go, don't forget to check out our previous video, 3 Life Lessons You Won't Believe, and focus yourself on consistency for a better tomorrow. Stay peaceful, stay kind, and I'll see you in the next video.